Hey guys, I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And in this video, we're going to be doing a back to school makeup look based off of the back to school makeup kit that I did in my last video. So you know the drill, let's get right into it. So to start off today's makeup look, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox primer that I mentioned in my last video, and this will create a nice base for our makeup today. So I'm just rubbing that into my T-zone, a little bit on the nose, on the forehead, and this primer is so good and it will make your makeup last all day, which is really important for school. You don't want to be reapplying it in the bathroom instead of being in class. So gotta have your primer. So I'm just gonna rub the excess all around the rest of my face, but focus on the T-zone. And now we can move on to foundation. So I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Face Tape in the shade Medium Golden. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks. And we don't wanna overdo it because it is a really heavy foundation and it's really full coverage. So we don't need a lot, and since it's for school, it's just gonna be a neutral tone. And a little bit on my forehead. And now we blend. And now that I'm all blended out, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, and on the tip of my nose. This will make sure that our eye bags that we got from staying up all night are gone. And now we blend. I really love this concealer because it's really full coverage and it brightens up the areas that I put it, so I get a little bit of a glow in my makeup look. Next, we're gonna move on to eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown, and I'm gonna take a angled brush, a tiny angled brush like that. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm not gonna go into detail with the eyebrow tutorial just because it does take a long time, so if you want an eyebrow tutorial, leave a comment down below. And now that our eyebrows are on, I just want to say that I really love this product just because it stays on all day and it makes your eyebrows look snatched. And I also want to talk about the fact that I know these products are really high end, so I will be placing dupes at the bottom of the screen that are a little bit cheaper, a little drugstore brand, so you can get the same look for a cheaper price. So now moving on to our next step, we have eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette in 25A. It just looks like this. It's a lot of neutral tones, perfect for a back to school look. So I'm going to go into a mixture of these two shades right here, and I'm just going to place them all over my lid in an even coat. And now that we have that, I'm going to go in with a smaller pencil brush and take those same shades and just do a little bit of shadow under my eyes. And now we can move on to mascara, and I mentioned in my last video that I like their Real mascara, so I'm just going to apply that to my lashes. So I went ahead and applied the mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and I really love this mascara because it's not only volumizing but also lengthening, so it's perfect for this makeup look. So now in my usual makeup routine, I would apply lashes, but this is a back to school makeup look, so we're just going to go with mascara today. So our next step is bronzer. I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer in the shade Debonte, and I'm just going to take that on an angled brush, just like this. And I'm just going to apply that in a 3 on my face, and then an opposite 3 on the other side. And now that we are bronzed, we're almost done with this makeup look. We gotta make it fast because we're on our way to school. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Geller highlighter on a fluffy blending brush. And I'm just gonna apply that to the very tips of my cheeks. Not a lot because we still wanna keep it natural and subtle, but we just wanna have a little bit of a glow. A little bit on the other side. And just for fun, a little bit on the tip of our nose. And now that we have a little bit of that glow, we are almost finished. I'm going to take my morphing setting spray that I mentioned in my last video. I'm just going to spray that all over my face to make sure that we are set and ready for our school day. And that is it. So this is the completed makeup look for back to school. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them down below. And if you like the video, don't forget to leave it a like. And if you didn't like the video, you should like it anyway. I'm just kidding. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.